Hello everyone, welcome to a new series of investing for beginners. And in this series, I'm going to talk about how, as a beginner with zero knowledge, you can start your investing journey with a minimum SIP of around 5,000 rupees, which can help you to create wealth over a period of 2 decades or 3 decades. Right? So now I'm going to talk about Nifty Bs here. What are Nifty Bs? Nifty Bs is an exchange traded fund by Nippon India, which tracks the Nifty Index. So Nifty Index is the main index of the Indian markets. To explain in simpler terms, Nippon India takes your money and uses it to buy the equivalent number of all the 50 stocks that that are the component of the Nifty 50 index. So let's take each single share of the Nifty Bs is priced approximately 100th of the Nifty index here. So if Nifty is trading at around 17,000, then the value of Nifty Bs would be trading at around 165 to 170 here. Now, basically what it does is it takes your money and divides your money into the 50 stocks of the Nifty 50, and this is how you can start your investing journey. And let us understand what are the past returns of Nifty Nippon India mutual fund here, and we are going to understand what are the benefits of trading here. So basically, this is the chart of Nippon India mutual fund, or you can say Nippon India ETF here. So starting from February 2002 to the current, the price started at around 8 rupees, and the current price of the Nippon India ETF is at around 185, adjusted for all the things here. Now you see the CAGR over a period of time is at around 14%. So this ETF has given us a CAGR of 14% over a period of 20 years here. Now, I am going to make you understand how this 14% CAGR and how investing into the Indian markets can help you to create wealth over a period of time here. So, this is a website which can help us to understand how our money would have grown over a period of time. Let's say that as a beginner, you are starting to invest in the markets. Let's say you are at the age of 20-25, and you have started with a monthly investment of 5,000 rupees. So this is the monthly investment of 5,000 rupees that you are starting with. That is the SIP, known as SIP is basically systematic investment planning here. Now your plan, this is basically for those people, those who want to invest for really long term, and those who believe in the growth of India here. So we are taking an SIP of around 20 years here. We have started with the amount of 5,000 rupees. We are talking about the SIP of around for around 240 months here. And what is the expected rate of return per annum? Basically, so historically, the returns of Nippon India mutual fund, or Nifty ETF, is around 14%. We are going to assume that after let's say after taxes, after the expense ratio and all, we get a CAGR of around 13% in a very simple manner. I am already assuming that we are only going to get a return of around 13% CAGR over a period of 20 years. Now, this is we are doing, as you know, as our salaries or as our income is going to increase, we are also going to increase our SIP by 10% per annum. So let's say that in the first month we started with an SIP of around 5,000 rupees. Our first year we started with an SIP of 5,000 rupees. Second year we are going to increase the SIP to 5,500. Third year we are going to increase the SIP to 6,000 rupees. Now this is the annual increase in SIP that we are trying to do, so that we are also as our earnings will increase, we are also trying to save more and invest more into the markets here. Right? So what is the total SIP that we have what is the total amount that we have invested here is basically the total SIP invested amount without annual increase. That means if you only invest 5,000 rupees per month for over a period of 20 years, your total investment would be 12 lakh rupees, and the total growth without annual increase would be 45 lakh rupees. But if you and the total value of your investment, the basic investment as well as the growth, would be at around 57 lakh rupees after a period of 20 years here. But if you see, the total SIP amount invested with annual increase would be 23 lakh rupees. That means with only 10% increase over a period of time, you are almost doubling your investment from 12 lakh rupees to 23 lakh rupees here. Right? So this is the first benefit. Secondly, total growth with annual increase would come at around 66 lakh rupees here. Now, the major difference comes here is the total future value is only 57 lakh rupees in the first case without any annual increase, without annual increase here. But the total future value after your SIP investment amount plus growth with annual increase is coming at around 89 lakh rupees here. So with only 5,000 rupee SIP and 10% increase per year, you can create a wealth of around 89 lakh rupees after a period of 20 years here. Now, basically, if we increase the SIP amount, or if we start the basic SIP amount with around 7,000 rupees first, and just increase our SIP amount by 10%, this 7,000 rupees with a 10% increase in the SIP amount can help you to create a wealth of around more than 1.25 CR here, right? So this is the power of SIP and this is the power of consistency here. Now I will explain you how you can go to your demat account, how you can create a demat account and start your investment journey basically from scratch here. Mstock by Mira Asset is a zero brokerage platform that is an excellent platform as a beginner. Now, all trading and investment products are at zero brokerage, so you can start your trading journey with one click order placement. You can also trade futures and options, currency, mutual funds, and IPO here. More than 73% are active clients, and 6 crore plus trades are being taken every day on this platform here. Now, you can use the link in the description below and start your trading and investment journey by logging in and using mstock by Mira Asset. There are no charges, there are no hidden charges, zero brokerage and no hidden charges here. Free intraday, free delivery trades, free FNO trades, free currency, free mutual funds here, and there is no limit to the number of orders, no date of expiry and no subscription that is attached here. You can save up to 50,000 a year in terms of brokerage here, and it is a very smart, secure and a super fast platform which can help you to understand the markets in a very simple and a very easy manner with a 5-minute onboarding, super easy platform. And they have an excellent presence in all over the world with around $600 billion of AUM and 1.2 crore trades being taken every day. So this is one of the most trusted platforms in India as well as in the world, where the total clients are at about 51 lakh client portfolios are active here right now. So basically the Nifty Bs, you can open an account in mstock by Mira Asset and directly buy Nifty Bs from that platform here. Now we are going to understand what are the advantages of Nifty Bs here. So, like you have seen the investment product of Nippon India here, where the price of Nifty Bs is at around 185. What are the advantages here? So, advantages is you do not need to understand the stock selection criteria, or you do not need to understand how to select stocks here. You can basically this is a very Nifty Bs is very simple. It can be bought and sold like a share through any NSE terminal at the prices available on the screen as you have seen here. Now the expense ratio of Nifty Bs is really less compared to the mutual fund or any other industry active funds here. Nifty Bs is really convenient. You can buy and sell in on any single day. You can buy at any time. You can sell at any time, and it is just like a stock that tracks all the Nifty components here. Nifty Bs is the Nippon India ETF is highly liquid. It is not an issue. The structure of Nifty Bs is attracts liquidity and you can buy and sell it at any time. And it is really transparent because it is basically Nifty Bs is going to replicate the performance of Nifty 50 here. So as a beginner, you do not have to understand about the stock market here. You can basically go and buy Nifty Bs. You can search on Google. Let me just explain you how you can understand it. You can search Nifty Bs here. So once you search Nifty Bs here, you can see Nippon India Nifty Bs ETF. So once you type it in the broker terminal here, you can directly go and buy it as a stock. So for that, you need to first have an account basically in a broker. Once you open an account in the broker, you can just go to the terminal. You can search for Nifty Bs and type it in the terminal. Then you can buy this stock here. Every month you have to keep an SIP of around, you can start with an SIP of around 5 to 7,000 rupees, and always try to keep a longer term vision in terms of investing here. Investing does not work for around 3 to 5 years. It is always a longer term vision here. So apart from Nifty Bs, if you have a higher risk appetite, let's say if you have a higher risk appetite, you can also start investing into bank Bs here. Now, as you know, banks are the foundation of the economy of any economy here. Bank Bs are a little riskier asset basically, but these have also given higher returns over a period of time. So let us understand the CAGR of bank Bs here. So if I look at the CAGR of bank Bs here, so bank Bs have given me a CAGR of around 16%. So from 2000 August 2004 to current, so bank Bs have given me a CAGR of 16% versus the CAGR of 14% in case of Nippon India ETF here. So third ETF investment that you can basically do is the is junior Bs here. So junior Bs is one of the investments that you can do. So this is the Nifty Next 50 ETF that you can start with. My suggestion to beginners would be to start your investment journey by buying the Nippon India ETF that I have explained you, Nippon India Nifty 50 ETFs. You can directly search it in the terminal and buy it directly here. The second would be the Nippon India Bank Bs here. So it would be Nifty Bs. Apart from that, you have to buy Bank Bs. So Bank Bs share price, if you just search it like that, you will see 397 rupees would be the price here. So the last 2 3 years CAGR has been really less because Nifty as well as Bank Nifty has not moved that much, but it is always a vision of around 10 to 20 years that can help you. Now the compounding will really be faster if you hold it for a longer duration. So let's say that you start with a amount of 10,000 rupees per month and increase it by 10% per month or 10% per year, and you also hold it for 30 years, let's say. So you can clearly see a total investment amount of around total investment amount. So total SIP amount invested with annual increases would be 88 lakh rupees. That 88 lakh rupees has grown into a total amount of 7 crore 34 lakh rupees. Right. So there is an increase of around 6 crore 46 lakh rupees that you have the wealth that you have generated over a period of time is at around 6 crore 46 lakh rupees. But as a beginner, it is always suggested that you start with 5,000 rupees. With only annual increase of 10% also can definitely take you to a level that you cannot even imagine here. And definitely once your income increases, you can increase the amount by 10. Let's say from 10% you can increase the amount to 20% as well. Right. So I hope you like the video, and do check out mstock by Mira Asset. It is a fastest trading platform that you can start trading with, and it is one of the most trusted brokers and as well as an asset management company which provides all trading and investment products at zero brokerage, which can help you save a lot of money in terms of brokerage here.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.